Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can order layers on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to set this as like the background, and I'm going to add this on top of that one. Let me just make it a little bit smaller, maybe like this, so you can actually see that. And I'm going to add in like an overlay on top of that. Let's see, like overlay. I'll add this one on top. Okay, so as you can see, it's in the correct order but what if I want this layer to be on top? As you can see, it's still going to be underneath because I have to go down to actually select the correct layer. Now, you don't have to do this if you enable the free layer option. So to do that, you're going to select this gray area, go to modify, go to the free layer, enable it, and save. Now, when you switch between layers, you can actually tell, well, it's actually just going to switch it by itself without you having to press the order layers section down here. And I suggest you to do that for all of like your videos. So, all of your projects. So just go to menu, go to settings here, go to edit, and enable free layer here. Press save, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.